Looking for ways to keep your water heater in tip-top shape?
Auntie Desmoni, owner of Water Heaters Pros Las Vegas, is here to share tips for maintaining and preserving the life of your water heater. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
We're very good. So what are some things that our viewers at home can do at the regular maintenance to help preserve and maintain the excellence of their water heaters at home?
Well, there's three big things right now because we're in summer. One, they should have their water heater flushed all the time, at least once a year. Two, now that we're in the summer months, they should turn down the gas control valve from where they normally set it in the winter to low, because the water in Las Vegas is so warm now that the heater doesn't need to work as hard as it does in the summer months as it does the winter months. And three, when you go on vacation, turn your water and turn your gas control valve down to low or pilot, because your water heater doesn't need to be working while you're on vacation.
I'm going to call him every time before I leave to do anything.
What should I do? I'm leaving.
What do I need to do?
Right.
Well, I was just going to say, I mean, you know, for the many of us who are not water heater experts, you know, how often should we be using it? And then, you know, what are the benefits of doing routine maintenance?
Well, your water heater, you don't appreciate until it's broken, right? Now you don't have hot water. Routine maintenance on a water heater, because the water in the valley is so hard, it should be at least once a year, because you want to get all the grime and sediment off the bottom of the heater, which eventually causes it to leak from the bottom. You want to get all that out of the system so that the gas control valve and the sensor valve work properly for the water heater for its duration.
Okay, so what are some signs that the viewers at home with their water heaters that they might need to call you? What are the thresholds between, hey, I can try and fix this myself by going on YouTube, as opposed to, dude, I need to get you around right?
His eyes just widened when you said YouTube.
You know there are dads out there who that's their first point of call. It's hit YouTube, can I fix this myself?
Well, first off, in the state of Nevada, you have to be a licensed plumber to work on a water heater. So you can't just go in and fix your own water heater because you're dealing with water and gas. Secondly, if the water heater is firing up, making hot water, and all of a sudden you hear like popcorn noise, like making popcorn in the bottom of your tank.
That's enticing.
Yes, it is. That means there's too much sediment building up.
Wow.
It's too much, and you're heating more of the garbage in the tank than the water. And thirdly, if you turn on your faucets and your water's starting to come out like an orange, like a Tanqueray rusty color, that means the heater's starting to rust out from the inside.
Now, when should homeowners consider replacing an actual unit? I mean, is it when you start to see those concerns?
You should, but I wish I had a time clock to see when that's going to happen. I would call ahead of time and let you know. Water heaters are unpredictable. So I would say roughly anywhere between 8 to 10 years, you should start thinking about changing out your water heater. If you didn't do yearly maintenance on it, every 6 to 8 years. Okay. Because at some point in time, you're going to wake up or come home and your garage is going to be flooded, right? Or depending where your water heater is stored, you can come home to your house being underwater. You know, because it's just going to leak and the city's going to keep pumping water in as it's leaking out. And if you don't know how to turn the valve off on top, you're going to have a mess when you get home.
What are some potential consequences of not getting a regular maintenance check from a professional such as yourself?
Like I just said, you can come home to a flooded garage. Yeah. You can come home to your house being underwater, and then you have to get remediation out there to take out drywall and get through your homeowner's insurance. Or the water heater, you just don't have hot water.
Yeah.
Those are the three basic things.
So it pays to do a regular structured.
Yes, because what I say is look at your water heater as your car. If you don't maintain your car, change your oil, check the tires, engine light comes on, what happens? Your car breaks down. Mm-hmm. Water heater is the same thing. It's a mechanical device in your house that if you don't take care of it, it's going to do the same thing.
So what sets Water Heater Pros apart in the way you guys do business?
Well, just because of all the information I just gave, right? Because I'm the owner, we're a small company. So I am always a phone call away. So if a customer calls and they need to get a hold of somebody, they can call my staff in the office and they can patch me in three-way, or I may just answer the phone if I'm in the office. I believe in the 4 Ps: people, professionalism, product, and profit. So when I say people, I mean when you call me, you're in panic mode. Your water heater's leaking, you're distressed, you don't know what to do. So our first point of interest is get you calmed down, get the gas turned off, the water valve turned off, get you settled in. Secondly is the professionalism. My office staff are amazing. They will stay on the phone with a homeowner as long as it takes to ensure them that we're giving them first, that the water heater is still under warranty or not, and we're giving them the best price because we ask for pictures of everything before we quote anything. Third is the product. I will not put in anything inferior because I have to warranty it for a year. Even though the water heater comes with a 6-year manufacturer's warranty, I'm still putting my name on the sticker and I still have to manage it. And then profit is I will never put price or product before the other 3.
This is all great. You come with advice, you come with these 4 Ps, and you also come with a special offer for our viewers just to reinforce what a nice guy you are. So
I do.
What
So the summer months, we're offering a special on a 40 and 50 gallon standard water heater, gas or electric, $12.99. That's tank, permits, labor, everything, all miscellaneous materials. If you have a 40 or 50 gas or electric with a existing recirculating pump, $14.99 installed.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Yes.
Thank you, Anthony. To learn more, be sure to visit waterheaterprosllasvegas.com.